Modern U.S. home decor. Luxury design with bold black accents and vibrant interior color schemes. In recent years, modern U.S. home decor has evolved into a sophisticated blend of luxury design elements, characterized by bold black accents and vibrant interior color schemes. This design approach elevates spaces, transforming them into elegant yet welcoming environments that cater to both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're redesigning an entire home or simply updating your foyer or hallway, integrating these modern decor principles can dramatically influence the overall ambience of your space. Foyers and hallways, often overlooked, serve as the initial points of contact for guests and occupants alike. These spaces are crucial in setting the tone for the rest of the home. To capture a modern U.S. style, one can incorporate furniture and decor that reflects luxury and sophistication. Imagine a foyer with a sleek, black console table against a backdrop of white walls, perhaps accented with gold or brass fixtures. The introduction of bold, black elements provides a striking contrast that anchors the room, while vibrant colors such as teal, emerald, or coral can be injected through art, upholstery, or decor accessories to add life and dynamism. Functional and stylish furniture pieces are key to optimizing foyers and hallways. Consider incorporating multifunctional items such as benches with hidden storage, or slim profile shelves that provide space for decor without overwhelming narrow passageways. Mirrors with bold dark frames not only enhance the sense of space, but also add a touch of elegance and depth. These elements can be paired with vibrant rugs or runners that introduce patterns and colors, tying the room together while making a strong style statement. Organization is another critical aspect of foyer and hallway design. coat racks, umbrella stands, and key trays in luxe finishes like matte black or brushed gold can provide practical storage solutions without sacrificing style. For those with larger entryways, the addition of statement pieces like oversized vases or bold artworks can serve as focal points, drawing visitors' eyes and creating a memorable entrance. In our latest video, we delve into these furniture trends for foyers and hallways, offering insights and inspiration for spaces of all sizes. With a focus on modern luxury, the video explores how to seamlessly integrate these design principles to create a first impression that is both inviting and reflective of contemporary elegance. Whether you prefer minimalist monochrome or vibrant eclecticism, we provide a spectrum of ideas to help you design a foyer or hallway that not only complements the rest of your home, but also stands out as a stylish introduction to your personal style.